Hello everyone, today I'm going to share the game between Henry Bird and Paul Morphy of Classic Chess. Alright, let's start. E4, E5, Knight F3. Threatening E5. E6, protecting. Tawag ko sa opening ay Philidor defense. D4, F5. So dito ang tamang tira ng white ay Bishop C4. Pero dito ang tinira ay Knight C3. Protecting E4. Capture. E4. Knight takes E4. D5. Knight G3. So according to computer, ang tamang tira ay Knight EG5. Kapag tumira ng E4, meron pong Knight E5. And white has a decisive advantage. Kung itutuloy po natin, Knight H6. Then Knight takes E4. He takes E4. Bishop takes H6. So, kinapture niya yung E4 para mabuksan yung diagonal. Kapag kinapture po yung bishop, meron ng queen h5 followed by king e7 and queen f7, king d6, knight c4, king c6, knight a5. For example, king d6, meron pong bishop b5, intending to play knight c4, checkmate. So for example, bishop e6, then knight takes b7, king b5 followed by c4, king takes d4, then castling inside, king e5 followed by f4 and passant, then rook h e1. Ayan po, checkmate po. Ayan po ang posibleng mangyari ng ating analysis. Pero dito ang tinira po niya ay knight takes e4, d5, knight g3. Ayan po yung tinira na niya, knight g3. So, tuloy po natin. E4, knight e5, knight f6, bishop g5 queen, bishop d6, knight h5, threatening knight. At ang evaluation ay black is better. Castling, queen d2, queen e8, threatening knight. g4, another mistake, g4. Meron pong bishop takes e5, followed by knight takes, d takes e5, then knight takes g4. And black has a decisive advantage. Yan po ang posibleng mangyari. Pero dito ang tinira ni Paul Morphy ay knight takes g4. Capture g4, queen takes h5. At ang evaluation, black has a decisive advantage. Ituloy po natin. Knight e5, knight c6, challenge. Bishop e2, threatening queen. Queen h3, knight takes c6, b takes c6. Bishop e3, rook b8, threatening e2, castling queenside, rook takes f2. Ayan po yung good move na tinira ni Paul Morphy. Capture, queen a3. Ayan po yung purpose para ma-open yung rank, third rank. Pag kinapture po yan, mag-checkmate po ng bishop. So kaya tinira dito ay c3, protecting b2, queen takes a2, b4, at ang evaluation, black is slightly better. Queen a1 check, king c2, queen a4, king b2, then sacrifice bishop. At dito, black is clearly winning. So ang tama pong tira dito ay instead na queen a4 ay king c1. Balik lang po. Pero advantage pa rin dito yung black. Okay, tingnan po natin yung kanilang game. Bishop takes, C takes B4, rook takes B4 check, capture B4, queen takes B4, king C2, then C3. Ang tawag po dyan ay line clearance. Sinacrifice niya yung pawn kapalit ng open diagonal. So, capture, bishop F5, rook B3 blocking, queen C4 check, king B2, queen A2 check, king B1, queen B1 check. At diyan, nag-resign na rin po si Henry Bird. Kung itutuloy po natin, king D2, queen takes H1. Ayan po. Ayan po ang posibleng mangyari. Ayan po ang kanilang naging laban. Hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat. See you next time. Bye.